This right here is the QSP Hedgehog Traditional Pocket Knives exclusive with a spear point blade. Now hear me out for a second, guys. If you're into traditional pocket knives, this one right here is probably as good as it gets. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a overview and kind of unwind that thought here throughout this video. But this particular one here has the saw cut milling on the titanium handles, looking really nice and elegant. I do have a jigged titanium one here to show you in just a moment so we can compare back and forth, right? Multiple different models here. But yeah, the titanium is finished on the bit blaster here, which looks really, really good. We have QSP's premium logo right there with the triangle on the pivot, looking really good. Captive pivot with a T8 on the other side. And we have the two lines right here on the bolster and diagonal lines for that saw cut pattern. Linear hole solution right here and the back spring. I mean, everything, the fit, the finish on this thing is really spot on all the way through. So let's go ahead and check out the blade on this one, of course. Listen to the walk and talk first. I mean, come on now. I mean, if that doesn't scream a singer to you, I don't know what does, because it definitely screams, you know, like a singer to me. It sounds so good, right? That is money right there.
Money!
All right, so there's a half stop right there, and it's got full open right here. And of course, I'm wiping it clean so you guys can see it in its full glory. We do have S90V on the blade here, right? This premium model has S90V, and you do get a beautiful hollow ground on this one. So that is a full hollow, which I'll tell you right now, this thing is a laser beam. You'll see that in the cutting test here in just a moment. And, you know, very nice satin finish to it, to say the least. Ergos, of course, are going to be really, really nice. It is a medium, right, sort of EDC-ish medium, right? Definitely that medium category. I'm able to get a full purchase here with my average size hands. The milling provides additional grip, right, so it doesn't go anywhere. And yeah, this thing cuts so good. I always say this. Some of these traditional slip joint knives cut so much better, like day and night difference, so much better than some of the $200, $300, $400, $500 knives that I have put under this camera lens right here. So that speaks volume, right? Some of these knives, for whatever reason, they're just so much sharper than modern folders. I don't know what the secret sauce is, but these things are like legit the definition of a laser beam. As a matter of fact, why don't I just show you, right? Instead of telling you, let me just show you. Look at that. Bam, boom. Now keep in mind, this one has been via the lefty EDC knife pass around. And judging by the cutting performance, I can tell this one probably use a good strap right about now. Right, I do have my jigged titanium version, right? This one was sent to me directly, and it still cuts so good. You'll see, right, comparison-wise. But just judging this one here, has seen some use via the lefty EDC knife pass around, so that's something to keep in mind. But still cutting like a champ, no doubt about it. Let's check this thing out. Oh yeah. Oh, come on now. Here we go. Yeah. So is it going to cut cardboard? Absolutely. It absolutely will. And I mean, that is, again, a really good looking blade. You guys rate this thing in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. All right, how sharp was that? How much of an edge has it retained? You guys let me know. And for some quick size comparisons, right, there it is. This one being the saw cut pattern, right? We got the jigged pattern right here, right? This is yours truly right here. I did an original unboxing and overview when these were about to launch. And guess what, guys? These are still available right now. So if you want to pick them up, you absolutely can. This is the time to do so. And a little bonus one while we're in the, you know, Hedgehog family here with the spear point. Check out this new one. This is a more budget-friendly one with 14C28N. And it has, this one has abalone handles, but it has a plethora of other handle options like mother of pearl, blue, green, black, you name it. There's just a plethora of different color options to check out, and it's way more affordable than these guys given the materials, all right, and the steel. So check them out. I mean, all right, going back to the first statement in the video, if you're into traditional knives, you cannot, I'm telling you this right now, you cannot go wrong with the Hedgehog from QSP and these traditional pocket knife exclusives, which all of these are, by the way. They're exclusives from TPK. They are absolutely going to impress. I have zero doubts about it. I can't recommend them enough. And by the way, if you are interested in picking one up for yourself, whether it be the premium version or the more affordable version, I have a link down below in the description and pinned comments, and you can use code Miguel10 for 10% off. So if you use code Miguel10, it does get you 10% off. So every little bit helps, right? Why not get it more affordable if you can? So try to hook you guys up with a discount there if you're interested. Definitely make sure to use that. But yeah, I mean, absolutely love these things. And I mean, the action is so good. QSP just outdid themselves with this one. There's no doubt about it, right? Walk and talk is so good. Even on the budget version, I mean, everything is tuned to perfection, and these cut so well. Even the 14C28N variant, right? These are S9EV, right? The premium ones are S9EV. The budget ones are 14C28N, but man, they all cut so good. I can't really express that enough. Hopefully, right, you guys are catching what I'm putting down here. But lots of options, right? If you want to go the premium route, again, these titanium ones are epic. There are some other carbon fiber ones available as well. If for some reason the full tie handle is not your cup of tea, you can go with carbon fiber at that S9EV model, right? Being on the premium side of things, or you could go the more affordable route with the 14C28N version. And I mean, for me, abalone is the way to go all day. These will probably sell out the fastest out of all the 14C28N models. But Mother Apparel is also pretty good. And again, they have so many other options to choose from as well. And by the way, did I mention they all cut really good? Right here is the Jigged version, S90. Look at that, right? Cutting that paper like nobody's business. Switching over to the 14C28N model, right? Same deal. Honestly, you'll be surprised. This one has a fresher edge, but if I had to judge, I want to say this one is more of a laser beam for some reason. Obviously, S90V is a more premium steel than 14C, but man, this thing is aggressively sharp, no doubt about it. Back to the jagged pattern here, S90V on cardboard. Oh yeah, definitely putting some work there. Switching to the 14C28N. Wow. I don't know, man. I don't know what it is, but this 14C28N cuts like a champ, right? Maybe a hair sharper than the S90V version. I don't know. I mean, I love S90V as a premium steel, but just cutting back to back, this 14C is absolutely a laser. And so are the premium versions too, right? I mean, it's so hard to tell, right? But they're both really sharp and cut really good. And you have plenty of handle options, right? And premium versus more affordable options to choose from. That's the best part. Guys, Miguel 10 gets you 10% off. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Right? What do you like about it? What do you love about them? Have you had any experience with QSP traditional slip joints before? Are you a slip joint traditional folder type of person, right? Would love to hear your thoughts in the comments, guys. What do you love about these? Is there anything you dislike about them, right? Let's hang out in the comment section down below. Shout out to Lefty EDC for the opportunity to check this one out. And shout out to Austin from Traditional Pocket Knives for sending out the Jigged and the 14C28N version as well for me to share with you guys. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.